I was lucky enough to be in charge of this renovation for a friend of mine who moved next door to me.
Her first question was, how much do I get to play with? And, and I said, you can play with all of it if you want. From there, it got transformed.
It hadn't been renovated in a really long time. It was really loved. It was just kind of stuck in the past.
Nothing was modern, nothing was updated.
And he said, you be in charge of the renovation, here's the budget, don't tell me anything else, I don't want to be involved.
One of my favorite stories of the whole remodel was actually the green couch. She sent me a link and told me to buy it, and I responded, are you sure that's me? And she's like, don't ask questions, hit the button and go. And I was like, all right. So I bought the green couch, and now it's like a staple of the cottage. Like, everyone on the grounds always asks about it, always comments on it, and everybody talks about it. It gets a lot of press.
Pretty much my dream project.
I'm a divorced dad, so like, they're with me half the time, they're with their mom half the time, but they're always together. And so I think for them, having a space that feels like home, and like, they get more excited to come to the cottage, like when I go pick them up. When they come running out to the car, if I don't tell them that we're instantly going to the cottage, they get upset with me.
It's 1970 here. I don't know how else to describe it, but the kids are all on bikes. The parents never know where they are. It's super safe. All the parents know everyone. We take care of everybody else's children. And so as a single parent, you're not alone on the days, you know, you've got a community helping you, me helping him helping me. So I think it's fun to have your neighbor or your community help you carry the load.
For them, like, they absolutely love it here. If they could be here 100% of the time, they would be.
The budget wasn't tremendously huge, so I shopped at junk stores. The cabinetry was all stuff that came back to the warehouse that I sort of hobbled together for him. We did open shelves because it doesn't cost money, and we tried to keep it cottage-like. It's nestled into the woods and the wilderness, and it's a supreme setting, and it needed to be eclectic and old, and it needed to have like a lived in over time feel.
I don't know anyone in design or in construction or that does what Jenny and Todd and the Carbic team do in a way that you're going to get anything better.
The coffee table was a trunk that was here, which I think is awesome. It has some writing on the side, somebody's name in Washington, Missouri. The blue wicker, it's really old, original wicker to the house. It was painted two-tone, and I just took it out there and spray painted it blue. And there's a cabinet over here, and it's this orange color, and that's the color it was. And I had no idea I was gonna like that color in here, but this room is kind of, it's got a lot of neutral tones, but it's mixed colors, and I just loved the pop of red, orange. It just worked out.
I get exactly what I want, and I have no idea what I want until I see it. And so, like, Jenny makes sort of your own imagination come to life. From my perspective, she gets to know you, she pays attention, she incorporates aspects of your life. Like, if you look in my bathroom here in the cottage, for instance, there's a catcher's mask hanging on the wall, and it's a talking point. People are like, why is that there? I'm like, well, I'm a huge baseball guy. I love the Chicago Cubs. Like, for me as a kid, baseball was my thing. And she just pulls those small, subtle things into your living environment in a way that it just feels like you.
It has been awesome to see him love it and enjoy it. I mean, he literally had no idea what was going to be here. Like, he had no idea. And he would be like, oh, am I getting that? Oh, am I getting this? And I would just send him links. Buy this, buy this, buy this, buy this. And he just did. He just hit the link, put in his credit card, it would show up. I don't even think he looked at half of the stuff I was sending to him.
But it's more about the feel you want, the life you want, and not necessarily the specifics, like I want this paint color or that paint color. Like, let go of those details and let them handle it, because if you let go of those details and let them handle it, you'll get everything you dreamed of and you didn't even know what you wanted.
I mean, we even have laminate tops in the kitchen, but it won an award. It won an award in the Ladue News because it's just a creative way of using the space. It's a tiny little space. Everything it just looks good together. He let me do just about everything, absolutely everything.
Get out of the way and let them do their job, because they're really, really good at it.